Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming another video for you guys, obviously because I'm filming. I'm actually going to film like an immigration topic video. A lot of you guys asked me a few questions from my last video, so I kind of wanted to make a video and respond to them. As you can see on the title, you obviously know what the video is about, but a lot of you asked me this question, so I know most of you hopefully know about this. If not, then you can learn a little bit from my video. Like I said, and I said in my last video, I'm not a law student, and I am not like certified in anything to do with the law. This is just my personal experience and just what I've learned in school as well. So just wanted to clarify that for you guys. I don't want you to be like, oh well, she said this and it's not exactly the outcome of you, because it could be very different depending on who you are, what country you're from, and what is your background or what's exactly the history, because I'm not sure. So basically we're going to talk about DACA. If you don't know what DACA is Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. That's exactly what it means. So that means that it prevents children or certain age from any type of deportation. I just wanted to talk about the few questions that you guys kind of asked me, and I kind of want to mention them. So I'm going to look down just so I can get all the answers, or just so I can answer all of your questions. So basically the purpose of this is to protect eligible immigrant youth who came to the United States when they were children. It also allows them to work in the United States legally, and the work authorization has to be renewed every 2 years. So I did get DACA back in, I want to say 2005, 2006. I could be wrong. I really don't remember. Yeah, 2015, 2016. That's when I got my DACA. So basically every 2 years I would renew it. That helped me work legally in the United States. I'm going to show you a picture of what the DACA card looks like. Obviously, I'm not going to put any information out there. I'm not going to show you my own. But this is how it looks like. It's just an identification card that lets you know that you can work in the United States. You also get a social security number, and it tells you on the social security number, work authorization only. So obviously you can work in the United States, and you can also do your taxes just like any American citizen basically. So some of the myths that I've seen a lot, or people ask me if it's true or not, is it's pathway to citizenship. So no, it is not a pathway to citizenship. DACA was just made for students who wanted to go to college, who felt like they couldn't go to college because they couldn't afford it. So obviously if you're not working, you can't go to college, you can't afford it. That's basically why they invented DACA, to help so many immigrant children or teenagers or young adults to be able to have the chance to go to college. That you get free college. No, you do not get free college. I had to, when I was in DACA, I had to pay college right out of my pocket. We do not get financial aid because we are basically just working here. We're not citizens of the United States, or you're not a permanent resident. So you don't get any financial aid if you receive DACA. You still have to pay out of pocket. Obviously you can get scholarships which help you, but you do not get financial aid or TAP or anything. You have to pay everything out of pocket. That also includes like grants, and you can ask for loans either. Other people said so they don't pay taxes. Yes, we do. So since we're working, we have to pay for taxes. Obviously, I think that's kind of like the obvious. If you work, you pay for taxes, or you do your taxes. You do get money back because you are getting taxed on your paychecks. So it's just like anybody here that is born or a permanent resident in the United States. You work, you get taken taxes out of your paycheck. At the end, you do your taxes and you get some money in return. Also, that people think that you get Medicaid or some sort of health insurance. No, you do not get any free Medicaid or health insurance. You apply like any other person. Basically on your income, that's how you get insurance. Or if your job offers insurance, I would recommend getting insurance from your job. It's so much better than just trying to apply to insurance, because sometimes you end up paying way more than what your job offered. The last one is they're stealing jobs from American citizens. So this is all your opinion, technically. Yeah, I really can't answer this. It's all on what you believe. Obviously, if that's how you feel, then I'm sorry. Like, there's many American citizens that don't really want to work the jobs that there are to offer, especially the pay, since it's so low. I work in the restaurant industry. Not a lot of people like working or dealing with people. So, or a lot of people work in retail. I'm not sure. I've never worked in retail, so I don't know how high the pay is. I'm guessing it's not really, really high. And you also have to deal with people. So a lot of people don't take those jobs because they don't really like dealing with people. And if they have to deal with people, the pay isn't that high. So they don't want to take those jobs. If you think that we're stealing jobs from you, then I don't think we are. We're just taking the opportunity you're not taking. So that's obviously your opinion. As of now, you can submit first-time applications. So unfortunately you can. That's why I didn't think it was necessary to tell you the requirements. If you really want to know if you fit or you can, if it opens again, apply for DACA, then you can go to the USIS website. I'll link it down below. If you already have DACA and you need to renew it, that is still open. You just have to renew it 4 months in advance. So if it expires in December, you have to start in August. So it's like little things like that. The longer you wait, the longer it takes, especially with the government shutting down. It's a little backtrack and it's taking a little bit longer. Like I said, if you want more information on anything, to be honest, anything related with immigration, doesn't have to be about DACA, you can go to the USIS, I don't even know how you say it, website for more information. And that's it, guys. I hope this video, you found it some sort of information if you really didn't know about it. If you did, then maybe this video wasn't for you. I did answer some questions because a lot of you asked me if you can apply for DACA and what are the requirements. Like I said, you cannot apply for DACA if this is the first time you're applying. Another question that I got asked a lot was, if you have a passport that's not a United States passport, can you still travel? So, yes and no. So you can travel. So I have a Mexican passport. I do not have a United States passport. Before I even got my permanent residence, I was able to travel within the United States with my Mexican passport. They don't ask you for anything but identification. So when you buy your plane ticket, you show whatever passport you have, as long as it's within the United States. That's included in Puerto Rico and Hawaii. Now, obviously no, because if you're not supposed to be here or you only have DACA, you can't leave the country. Once you leave the country, you can't come back because you don't have a visa or you don't have any sort of permission to come back to the country. So that's why I say yes and no. Yes, you can travel within the United States with your own nationality passport, but you cannot travel outside the United States. So I hope you guys found this video interesting or you learned something new. Hopefully, if not, I'm sorry. Give this video a thumbs up if you wanted more videos like this, anything to do with like immigration or anything like that. Also subscribe to my channel. I'm filming more. I'm trying to give you guys some content, so I hope you guys like it. Also, leave comments down below if you have any questions. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.